I am currently in New York attending the UN's high-level political forum. The countries of the United Nations come together to review progress on the Sustainable Development Goals. And this is the last time that they're going to review progress against this particular SDG before the deadline in 2030. All of the different nations of the world will be debating the progress that we are making. The most important of the SDG 7 goals, to me at any rate, is SDG 7.1, which is by 2030 that we bring electricity and access to clean cooking to every single citizen of the world. Progress has actually been relatively dramatic. So electricity is actually one of the better functioning SDGs than in comparison to a lot of the other SDGs. SDG 7.1.2, which is the transition so that we get to everybody in the world having access to clean cooking, then we're not doing so well. There are still 2 billion people across the planet today. They're using wood, they're using charcoal, they're using dung, and in some cases even using plastic. The reason why I'm here is that I head up a UK aid-funded program designed to look into that very issue. In many, many cases, an increasing number of cases, cooking with electricity is actually the cheapest alternative. For example, in the last 2 or 3 years, been working with FCDO country offices in Tanzania and Uganda on 2 large demonstrator programs of hastening this transition to electric cooking. We've embedded training for electricians and technicians for being able to repair and maintain electric cooking appliances. And the thing that's been most exciting in the last couple of months is seeing a pilot that we did with the Tanzanian utility, where we supported them to develop this on-bill financing program, where their consumers would be able to pay for their electric cooking appliance through their electricity bill. So rather than having to save a lot of money to be able to buy an appliance up front, they're able to buy it on credit, which spreads the cost. It makes it more accessible for more people. And it's been so successful. And they've now got a goal of selling over 1 million of these appliances over the next 2 to 3 years. So when people ask, how does research go from basic evidence and analysis into making real things happen in the real world, then this is an amazing example of where our research has been taken up and is actually leading to major, major changes in the way in which people get access to clean cooking. This is one of the success stories that I'll be talking about here at the United Nations and looking to work with other countries so that they can adopt these kinds of approaches over the coming years.